I wanted to take a few minutes to point out a few tiny items that have to do with the four verbs Arbeiten and Finden, tanzen and heißen. They have a few little glitches in their conjugation. So first we're going to take a look at Arbeiten and Finden. You know the first step in conjugating is to take off the en and then add the endings that you have memorized for each of the subject pronouns. But Arbeiten and Finden are a little different. They are only going to drop the N. They need this E left there to ease pronunciation in the U form and the he, she, it form and the you guys, the ear form. Just these two verbs will keep the E. So when you go to take off the ending of the infinitive, it's going to look like this. So now we're ready to put our endings on there. So, ich arbeite, ich finde. That one is not affected. You is do. Arbeitest. Notice the E is kept before the ST ending is put on. Findest. RCS, arbeitet, findet. The infinitive form is not affected. Arbeiten and finden. The ear is going to be arbeitet and findet. Just a reminder, these are the only two verbs that keep the E before adding their ending. Now let's take a look at tanzen and heißen. Tanzen and heißen, if you drop the en off of both of these verbs, you are left with what sounds like an S. Tanz. It is a Z, but it has an S-like sound. Tanz. Heißen is the same way. We already have two S's here built into this S set. So when we go to conjugate the verb for do, we do not want to add another S because that would be too many S-like sounds. So it's going to look the same as the RZS form. Tanzt, no S, because of the Z sound that's built in. Same thing with heißen, it becomes heist. You already have two S's, so you do not want to put a third S in there. Everything else conjugates like normal.